Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in. So since the price of Bitcoin is still fighting to break out of the 17,000 but also fighting to remain above the 16,000 to 16,500 support line, things are looking very interesting at this current stage, because we know if this 16,000 to 16,500 support gets broken, the price of Bitcoin could be starting a rally here to the downside in this manner, because this here is a bearish symmetrical triangle, and also the indicator beside the price action is flashing a weakness. If we look at this RSI line is already below 50 level. T3CCI indicator already started appearing in a negative territory. The only confirmation what we need here in a 4-hour time frame is this MACD. If this MACD is going to show another crossover here like this, which is a bearish crossover, that will signal a weakness in price action Bitcoin, and that will also indicate the support which you have between 16 to 16,500 might not be holding the price anymore, because if we lose that support, we are aware guys, the price of Bitcoin is going to continue this downtrend, because yesterday we found out beside the symmetrical triangle, even this CPI indicator, a leading indicator, and this ascending triangle is flashing us a weakness, because the price right now is approaching the last line of support which we have here in a daily time frame around 16,500, because we know guys, the upper line always rejected the price. Upper line always rejected the price around 17,000. Lower line was holding the price. So we are considering this support which we have right now a very strong support for Bitcoin between 16,000 16,500 range. So if this support gets broken, then we are aware guys, the price of Bitcoin is going to start this corrective movement. Even though the ascending triangle is considered as a bullish scenario, it is going to fake out and price is going to form another lower than the previous one, and this S3 line also could be retested one more time around 15,800 before continue this downtrend, because we know with the previous example, with this bearish symmetrical triangle, if the support gets broken, the price could be starting a rally here to the downside, and according to the symmetrical triangle, you can see the price could be approaching around this 14,000 range. So that was the reason why I was actually warning you again and again, please do not over leverage the sell at this current stage, and use proper risk management strategy before placing any trade. And not just only this guys, not just only this, if you look at the price action of Bitcoin in a very simple way, by simply looking at this rising trend line here like this. So before we start talking about this price action, please, if you haven't destroyed that like button, if you have forgotten to destroy that like button, then do it right now. And for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Now, if you look at this price action here in a 4-hour time frame, what we can do, we can simply add this rising trend line here like this. Yes guys, this rising trend line now is also indicating the price could be approaching this key line of support around 16,000 to 16,500 range. But once this support gets broken, we have to be extremely careful, because this will trigger a sell off here in this manner, because we have seen guys, the price here is forming lower highs but higher lows. That's why we were forming this symmetrical triangle around this area. But what I want you guys to understand, if this key line of support gets broken, then we are going to look at this price action here in this manner. Our target in that case is going to be below 15,000. And why? Because we know guys, we know if you simply add this crypto Anup indicator, crypto Anup T3CCI, crypto Anup buy sell indicator. Yes, according to this crypto Anup buy sell indicator, we are still getting this sell signal in a 4-hour time frame, and this line is also going to act as a resistance. You can see this line here is also going to act as a resistance. So if we are going to switch this into a support, a proper support, and price after that is going to show this bullishness, then we want at any cost price to break out of this key line of resistance around 17,000, because if we do break out of this 17,000 and flip it into support, then this buy sell indicator is going to be turning bullish here in this manner. Price is going to break out of this very important resistance line 17,000, the upper line from this ascending triangle, and also the as to line which is exactly lying around 17,000. So that's why guys, that's why if the price wants to show this bullishness, we have to overcome this key line of resistance around 17,000 at any cost. So please keep a close eye around this 16,000 16,500 support area and also around 17,000 our resistance area. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to talk about this buy sell indicator, because yesterday someone was asking me, Anup, please can you look at this buy sell indicator? According to this buy sell indicator, which is a combination of ETR normalized and William percentage error, guys, this indicator is still remaining quiet. So according to this bottom indicator, we can see whenever this William percentage error and ETR normalized has confirmed this price bottoming, what has happened? The William percentage error has appeared around minus 95 and ETR normalized above 95, plus 95. And whenever that combination has been seen, after that we have seen this vertical line appearing, which indicates market has bottomed. After that, a very nice relief rally. You can see price started showing this weakness, but when we had this indicator signaling us bottom, after that we had this massive rally here in price action of Bitcoin. This exact scenario also unfolded here in 2020 Black Swan event. This indicator flashed us bottom and then a new marker phase appeared. Also here in 2021, when we had this free fall type of scenario, price approaching around this 29,000 range, this indicator flashed a buy signal, and after that the price of Bitcoin made a new all-time high. So now if we look at this indicator, the ETR normalized and William percentage error is still quiet. That means the market might not have bottomed. So this was another reason why I was actually showing you in a bigger picture. If you remember properly, the price of Bitcoin could be showing a corrective movement, a slow corrective movement towards this key line of support and also the line of confluence between 10 to 12,000 before finding bottom and also starting a new marker phase. I mean, the price of Bitcoin could show further weakness. Even if we are going to see a relief rally, it is going to be looked as a temporary relief rally. But at the end, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to show this corrective movement towards this 10 to 12,000 and then consolidate from this actual accumulation phase, just like I shown in an example, and then start with this new marker phase like this. So that's why guys, that's why let's hope for the best. I mean, let's hope that the price break this 17,000 resistance, but we have to be careful if we break the support between 16 to 16,500 range. So please, once more guys, do not overleverage yourself, since the market could be turning very, very volatile. So these are some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in today's video. If you enjoyed my work, then please do not forget to destroy that like button. For those individuals watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Now by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.